From slow-moving avalanches to sudden storms, fire ice and living oceans, these unbelievable nature moments reveal how quickly nature can shift from calm to chaos. Every clip is real, unexpected, and captured in the moment it unfolded. Now let's begin with today's remarkable footage.
No, la signora!
In Catania, Sicily, floodwaters surged through city streets carrying cars as if they were small boats.
Ragazzi, qua la situazione...
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, no. There's a...
Spider lightning lit up the coastline near Adelaide, branching across the sky in a wide web of light. These complex patterns form as electrical charges discharge through turbulent storm air. On Vancouver Island, an avalanche poured downhill like a white waterfall. From above, the scale becomes clear. Snow movement can spread rapidly across wide terrain. Off San Diego at night, bioluminescent waves shimmered like scattered stars. As surfers moved through the water, their motion triggered microscopic plankton to glow. In Manitoba, the northern lights illuminated the sky with a vivid drifting glow. Auroras are created when solar particles interact with Earth's magnetic field high above the atmosphere. This isn't lava, it's ice. A hollow, cone-shaped ice formation rose from the surface, sparkling in sunlight. Unusual ice structures can form when freezing temperatures meet moving water and shifting air. After only a few hours of snowfall, an avalanche swept across 10 Mile Canyon in Colorado, covering the roadway. Rapid accumulation can quickly destabilize snowpacks. A powerful tornado turned parts of Temple into a hazardous zone within minutes. Tornadoes can form and intensify quickly, leaving little time to react.
lay their eggs in the sand. So
During spawning season, grunion appear on beaches at night to reproduce. This rare behaviour, known as a grunion run, is timed with tides and moonlight.
you can see this on several locations up and down the beach tonight. This twice a month on the new moon and the full moon, and that's when our tides are.
At first glance, it can be hard to estimate how many crabs are present. Large gatherings like this can occur when conditions are ideal for feeding, migration, or breeding. Clearing snow and ice from vehicles before driving is essential. Loose ice can slide off unexpectedly, creating hazards for other drivers and pedestrians. As a winter storm moved out, snowplows in southwestern South Dakota began clearing routes. Timely snow removal helps restore access and reduce accident risk. In Omaha, a large tree branch snapped during a storm and narrowly missed a passing truck. Strong winds can turn falling limbs into serious threats in seconds. Skaters on Berthoud Pass in Colorado were startled as an avalanche released nearby. In alpine areas, even brief exposure requires constant vigilance. Large fish gatherings can form when conditions align for feeding or migration. Seeing so many at once highlights the productivity of healthy waters. Glacier Bay transformed into a stage of shimmering light as colourful auroras spread across the sky. Snow geese gathered across Carlisle Lake, thousands of white wings moving over calm water. Seasonal migrations often create scenes of remarkable scale and beauty. On Highway 24, a vehicle was swept away by fast-moving mud from a flash flood near the Waldo Canyon burn area. In Virginia, a large RV was completely carried off by floodwaters within seconds. Rapid currents demonstrate why floodwater should never be underestimated. In Queensland, lightning struck a utility pole just feet from a man stopped at a traffic light. The close call shows how rapidly lightning can strike during severe weather. Texas was shaken by an intense hailstorm with softball-sized hail pounding rooftops and causing widespread damage. Large hail can fall with little warning during strong storms.
And I'm a little bit shaken. But look at the river down the alley. Yeah. Did you find the cat yet?
This crocodile appears to have emerged victorious after a confrontation. Such encounters are part of the natural balance within predator-dominated ecosystems. During flooding in Queensland, an unusually large fish became an unexpected catch. Floodwaters often displace wildlife, leading to surprising encounters. During a powerful earthquake river, waters surged violently, sending waves through nearby boats. Seismic shaking can disturb water bodies far from the epicenter. A waterfall appears to flow upward from a cliff face. This illusion can occur when strong winds push falling water back toward the rock, defying expectations. Vivid pink and green auroras danced across the sky over Graceville, creating a mesmerizing natural display. Nature often arranges patterns that resemble intentional design. Many formations arise simply from physics, weather, and time working together. Clearing snow and ice from vehicles before driving is essential. Loose ice can slide off unexpectedly, creating hazards for other drivers and pedestrians.
Oh, babe.
Icy winds and fresh snowfall blanketed New Hampshire, creating a landscape that is both striking and hazardous. Within moments, heavy rain and strong winds ripped a roof from a building. Sudden storm damage like this shows how quickly conditions can turn dangerous. Snow followed by a dust storm left Tabuk looking like a vanilla surface dusted with dark powder. Rapid weather shifts can create striking contrasts in arid regions. A magnitude 6.8 earthquake in Taiwan caused an aquarium to sway violently, splashing water outward. Scenes like this offer a clear view of the energy released during ground shaking. Heavy snowfall and gusty winds forced schools across northern New York to close. These unbelievable nature moments remind us that nature is powerful, unpredictable, and deserving of respect. Whether beautiful or dangerous, each scene carries a lesson in awareness and preparation. Thank you for watching, stay safe, stay curious, and join us again for more extraordinary moments from our planet.